Hello, virtual world. If you're just tuning in, I'm sorry because I forgot to push play like I did yesterday. So pause it and then hurry up and copy it down. The only other one we did was number 1, and you should know how to graph that by now. Okay, so and that's very smart thinking by saying, okay, well the graph, something's not right, right? You know if something's not right, okay? So I'm not saying don't go back and check your work, but make sure you know what the picture should look like. Okay, so we can plot our other side and graph it upside down. Okay, and you guys should be able to fill out the bottom. Okay, on the bottom, what's our vertex?
Negative 4, 1.
Axis of symmetry.
X equals negative 4.
X-intercepts.
Negative 5, negative 5, negative 3.
Negative 5, negative 3. Y-intercepts.
None.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, you're right. Min or max? Max. Solutions.
Negative 5, negative 3.
Description.
Up 1, left 4.
Up 1, left 4. You guys agree?
Yeah.
What else do we need to say though?
You put up 3.
Opens down.
What?
Wait, how is it? Bro, it's up 1, left 4.
Oh, you did say 4. Or you said 1. I'm sorry. That was me. I don't know. I heard 3. Opens down. Okay. So this one does not open up like the mommy and daddy. So we need to say that it opens down.
So, like, if we don't put the opens down instead of point off.
Yes. Absolutely.
So there's no slope this thing whole topic?
No. There is. There's gonna be on some of them. So you'll know if there's a slope if A is anything other than 1 or negative 1.
Oh, that's right.
Okay, but the graphing part on these ones, you don't have to do anything with the slope. You just type it in. Okay? And so that is almost easier. Okay, look at 5. We need to find the vertex. What's the formula? Negative B over 2 times our A. Okay, so we got negative. What's our B? 2 over 2. What's our A? 1. Okay, plug it in your calculator, see what you get.
I got negative 1.
Negative 1? I have no idea. Negative 1? Okay. And we picked 2 more numbers. What should we pick? Negative 2, negative 3. Okay, they need to be right next to whatever the vertex is. Okay, you can't pick something way far over because then you only got 1 point and something way over here. It's not going to work out. Okay? And then go through and plug them in. Okay, I will write on this one what it should look like, but this is the last one. Okay, so everywhere there's an X, we should be putting parentheses negative 1. And so there's 1 right here and right here.
Oh, snap.
Okay, and you have to make sure you guys got that squared on there. So plug that in and see what you get for your first number. And then when you're done, go back through and do the 2 and do the 3. Randy, where are you racing? Remember we talked about this yesterday?
Oh.
See if you can go back.
It's nice and 7, probably.
Remember, so go back and head it. Don't. Okay, you need parentheses everywhere there's an X because when you put negatives, if you don't put a parenthesis, it only, so like, look at this. Negative 1 times negative 1 is what? 1. But if you don't put parentheses,
Oh my
here's what it
God.
does. It only makes the first number a negative, not the second one. So you get negative 1 instead of 1. Okay, so the parentheses are like super important. Normally I'm like, oh, it's not the big deal.
Oh, I just deleted again.
Ready?
Just push it up.
His one don't do that. I don't know why. Here, Roddy, trade it. This one you can go back and push it up.
Okay.
Okay, what'd you get for negative 1?
3.
3?
No.
Somebody agree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Negative 2.
4.
4. Negative 3.
7.
7. Okay, so go to negative 1, 3. Negative 2, 4. Negative 3, 7.
It's gonna be a negative.
Okay, what's this first point that we find? It's the vertex, okay? You always find the vertex first.
-1, 3.
Okay, what's the vertex?
-1, 3.
Negative 1, 3. Axis of symmetry.
X equals 1. I mean, negative 1.
Negative 1. X intercepts.
None.
Y intercepts.
4.
Min or max? Solutions.
None.
Description.
Yeah, up 3 left 1.
Up 3, left 1. Why can't we say over? Over 3.
Because it could be over left or right.
It could be over left or right, okay? So you can't just say like, I was taking somebody home to Cameron Court the other day, and like, I thought he said I live by Cameron Court, like everybody knows how to get to Cameron Court, if you live in New Haven, then you know how to get to Cameron Court. I thought he said by Cameron Court, he's like, oh yeah, go up the road. Up the road where? Like, now you better give me some more directions, you know, so like you need a left or a right or something, okay? So, the left and right is very important, same with the up and down. Okay? 7, we need to find what first?
The vertex.
The vertex, okay? So, okay, so 7, find the vertex. What's the vertex formula?
-8.
Negative b over 2a. Okay, so we got negative. What's our b? Negative 8. Over 2. What's our a?
Why you put a negative outside and inside?
Because what's the formula say, Ronnie? It says negative, and then whatever b is. And b just so happens to be negative also. Okay, so plug that in to your little calculator and see what you get for your first number.
4.
You got a 4?
Wait, what? Hold on. Oh, shit.
4, 5.
There's no way you got a 4, Rodney.
I did.
You didn't type it right then.
I put it down.
But you didn't even, you need to start writing the formula out. Because look, did you write that stuff on there? Or you just did it on the calculator? Okay, so look, we got negative b over 2 times our a. What's our b? So these parts always go in the formula, right?
Oh, it's not a 1 here, 1 more.
What is it?
38, I get so wrong.
Negative 2. So this is what your should look like.
That's one.
I know. Okay, so you got negative 4? Is that what you guys said?
Yep.
Negative 4, and what's your next two numbers? Negative 5, negative 6.
I just got negative 2.
Okay, if you got something really huge when you plugged in your stuff, I want you to check. The very first thing you should see on your calculator should say negative 2, then a parenthesis. We are following this formula. Look up here, because I bet a bunch of you guys did. On your calculator, it should look like this. Negative 2, parentheses with a negative 4 in there, and then squared. Okay, you have to follow along piece by piece of that equation.
What the hell? What?
I still got a big number.
I got negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. There's no way, bro.
What'd you guys get?
I got negative 2.
I got negative 2, negative 3, negative 4.
I got negative 10, negative 20.
Yeah, I got negative 2, and then negative 20 for negative 5.
This guy, bro. So,
Okay.
oh my
I got
god.
negative 2, negative 2, and then
Oh my god.
The hell are y'all doing?
that's what's a calculator going.
Let me look at my thing.
I got negative.
Is our vertex correct? That would be my go-to. Is that the right point for the vertex? Because if it's not, everything else is going to be wrong.
Stop big enough.
Huh? So is it actually negative 4?
No, it's negative 2.
Yeah, it's negative 2. Okay?
So,
So-
that 2 right there.
There's a 2 right here. Look. Your A is not 1, it's 2. Okay, so what is 2 times 2? 4. 8 divided by 4 is not 4, it's 2. Okay, so
Common sense.
you should have negative 2, negative 3, negative 4.
But why am I getting big numbers for Y?
You're probably not typing it in your calculator, right?
I swear.
I doubt it. Nope, look, right, you gotta follow along with the formula. So type in minus 2, keep going.
Minus 2.
Now we have an X. Put parentheses, you type in your first number. Close it, squared, forgot the squared. Teaching. I don't have time to help you this period. I don't have time to help you this period. And I got somebody coming in 4th and 5th today already. You come see me tomorrow, 4th and 5th. Okay. What is negative 2? What'd you get?
Negative 2.
Negative 2, negative 3,
Negative 4.
negative 4,
Negative 10.
negative 10. Okay, so that looks much better. If the stuff won't fit on your graph, something ain't right. Okay?
I was right. See that?
I know all that crying he was doing like a little girl yesterday.
I was stressed out yesterday.
Okay, negative 2, negative 2. Really? Because you was looking real smiley until we started math.
That wasn't the situation.
I know.
There is no negative 10 though.
Yes, there is.
Oh, I was looking at the wrong way.
You're okay. Okay, and then fill out the bottom.
Wrong, bro.
Big done that.
What's the vertex?
Negative 2, negative 2.
Axis of symmetry.
Negative 2, negative 2.
None.
X-intercept.
9.
Y-intercept.
7.
Negative 10.
Min or max?
Max.
Is it negative 10 or 7?
It's negative 10.
Negative 10.
Yeah, Sam.
Listen.
You were so
Hold on,
close.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. How's it?
Look,
I'm compare some of these papers right now.
here, look.
I'm right. I'm right. I'm fair.
I graphed it. What are you talking about?
Oh, you're wrong, bro. Come on, just
How do you get your
Oh, I put it in the wrong spot. See,
I know you did.
Oh my god.
Solutions is none. Description.
2, left 1 opens down.
Down 2. Left 1. Somebody agree with this?
Yes.
Not you.
Yes, down 2 left 1.
Okay, opens down.
Wait, what?
Wait, no,
How you
left
get
2.
Down 2, left 2.
I can't see. That's why I'm like, are you guys right? Because I gotta scroll back and forth. Y'all
Down
can.
2, left 2.
Left 2, yeah.
Down 2, left 2.
Yes.
Open down.
Left 1.
Reese. And then I said, are you right? And he said, yeah. And I'm like, I don't want to hear from him. I already know. He thinks he's right.
I wasn't thinking.
It's too hard for me to see because I gotta scroll back and forth. You guys got your whole paper in front of you, so like, I trust you.
Stressful as hell, bro.
No, it's not.
You're a little too tricky.
That's overthinking.
Okay, number 9.